Hi guys, this is Matthew and welcome back to another episode of 90-second Arduino tutorials. So for today's episode we're going to be controlling a continuous rotation servo motor, and this is called an FS90R servo motor. Now if you look at it, it looks the exact same as a regular servo motor that goes 180 degrees. And it basically it's all the same mechanics, except it doesn't have a little stopper that limits it to 180, so it allows it to go a full 360. So for the wiring here, first we have in the middle, it's the exact same as a regular servo motor, is a red wire, and that goes directly into a 5-volt over here. And then over here we have a brown wire, and that goes into the ground right next to the 5-volt over here. And then this orange wire goes into the digital pin, and I picked digital pin 7, and you can pick any digital pin that you want to use. So now moving on to our code. Over here, first thing you're going to notice is it starts off the exact same way as a normal servo motor. It's the same library, Servo Detach, so we're going to include that. And then we're going to define it using some of the library commands, saying the servo with a capital S is servo here, with a lowercase s, and that's going to be our variable. And then for our setup, we're going to attach our servo to pin 7. You can pick any pin that you want as long as you follow it over in the wiring. And then for our loop, now this is a new command here that many of you may not be familiar with, is Servo Detach, and that is required in order to stop the servo. So we're going to detach it first. So basically it's saying that the servo is going to stop, and we're going to delay 2000. So basically it's going to stop for 2 seconds. The servo is not going to move. And then we're going to reattach it to digital pin 7, and that's going to reinitiate the servo. And then we're going to write servo.write at 180 degrees, and that's going to move the servo in one direction continuously. And now the delay here does not stop the servo, it's actually going to keep it going. So we're going to have it go in 180 degrees for 2 seconds, and it's going to continue to go 360 degrees. And then we're going to detach it again, so stop the servo, and then we're going to stop it for 2 seconds. And then we're going to reattach it, and now it's going to go the other direction, which is 0, and it's going to go that other direction for 2 seconds. So it's going to stop, it's going to go one direction, and then it's going to stop again, and it's going to go the other direction. Pretty simple code here. So I'm going to plug it in, and we're going to see how that works. Let's wait 2 seconds, it goes for 2 seconds, stops, 2 seconds, goes the other direction for 2 seconds, like that. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you.